What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is day 7 of the 25K Apex Trader Funding Challenge. So on day 1 of the very first video for the series, I posted a series of rules that I had to abide to. Now for today, I ended up breaking one of those rules. I traded at 1 a.m. and also between 9 and 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So it was a bit of a woozy, if I'm being honest. I fell asleep between 2:30 a.m. to 6:15 a.m., so a little less than 4 hours of sleep. And when I woke up, I decided, hey, I'm probably going to perform really poorly. And the fact that I'm acknowledging this now, I should probably take the day off. Or I can wait to see, what the market has to provide later on. And if I'm mentally aware and awake enough to participate, then I will. So, without further ado, let's jump into what happened to the account. Hey guys, so it's 1:09 a.m. PST, and I don't typically trade this time, but I was still awake and I wanted to take a look at the charts, and I'm glad I did because I was able to catch a nice little move. So I'm in a Discord community with some other traders, and they were posting that at near 12, which is around this time, there's bullish momentum, and then obviously rocketed up. So I figured, what the hey, I'll check it out. So that's when I got in, obviously 1 a.m. and I saw this fair value gap around this area. We had a lot of spacing previously, and I was like, we're near, it's 1 o'clock. Things are starting to fall, as you can tell, and I took advantage of it. So yeah, I ended up getting in right around here when we were starting to break away from the EMA, got a quick little short, and we had enough spacing where I thought we might have a possible bounce back, and when we touched the bottom here, we retraced it very quickly. So I went ahead and took a quick long, followed it back to the EMA, and yeah, I was able to walk out with 109. I'm a little bit surprised just because, again, I've never traded during this time, so yeah, it's crazy. I had a little bit of drawdown, but it's all good. I mean, yeah, I'm still a little bit shook that there was even momentum during this time at 1 a.m. But I forget that London session is when it starts, really acting up after 12 a.m. So, yeah, that's gonna be it for tonight. I may or may not trade in the morning. So if I don't, then this would be the last of, my trading session. But if I do, then let's move on to the next clip. So for this morning's trades, I actually used the 20-second time frame rather than my usual 10K and 2K tick charts. The reason why I decided to switch it up is because there's a trader on YouTube known as Iman Trading, and he is a super scalper. And to break that down, I would definitely recommend to just go look at his channel as well as his articles he posts on his website, because he breaks down what a super scalping technique is. It's a really fancy way of putting it that we take opportunities very fast. So for me, I always thought that being a scalper meant using the 1 minute, 5 minute, the 10 and the 2K tick chart primarily in order to take trades. But using the 20-second, I just saw opportunities much quicker, and the patterns and confirmations were developing a lot faster for me. So also, to bring into perspective, this entire screen between 9 to 10 is the same as showing this 10K tick chart, this rectangle here, that 1 hour. So you can obviously see, the move's a lot different on this screen versus this screen. Whereas right here, I can take multiple opportunities, smaller trades to get to my profit target. Or you can wait for a big move to play out, wait for all of your confirmations to then take a bigger move so you can have a bigger profit target. So it really just depends, obviously, on your strategy. But for me, I have really come to the final realization that scalping is the technique I want to follow through. Anyways, back to the trades. I pretty much took all these trades between 9 to 10. So there were a few bad trades that I definitely remember that stood out the most, and that's right here, 1, 2, 3. Obviously, we had 3 points of resistance on this support or resistance line, and although we failed each 3, I kept on assuming that we were going to break it. So definitely a bad boo-boo on my part. But nonetheless, we were able to recuperate and get the account back on track and ultimately pass the profit target. So, it just reset right on camera too, because it's 4 p.m. So, and it's Friday. But yeah, I'm super glad I was able to participate in all the opportunities. We had a lot of EMA crossovers. We had some flags playing out. We had 2-leg moves. and also lots of momentum to the upside. As you can tell, this overall trend for the hour was to the upside, for the 20-second chart anyways. So yeah, lots of opportunities here, and just really glad I was able to pass the account today. To become a better trader, I think it's really important and beneficial to reflect on your trading and your overall performance in order to become better and learn from everything you've done. Therefore, I created a little list of important lessons that I've learned from this series, and I put it all right here. And that is a wrap of day 7, the finale of the 25K Apex Trader Funding Challenge. I first want to say thank you all so much for the amazing support, engagement, constructive criticism, and your openness to your training journey on this entire series. And matter of fact, the entire channel. You guys are an amazing community, and I'm so proud to be part of it. And being able to just share my story with you guys, and you guys just being just so nice about my stupid mistakes I make. The second thing I do want to say is that this channel, as always, I'm just always here to be as transparent as possible and just really want to document my progression. So the fact that we're able to compare my previous challenge of the 150K to where we are now, granted the amount sizes are different, the contract sizing is different, the trading strategy has become different as well as the mindset. It's been great. It's been great to see like all the changes and little twists and details we had to adjust in order to get to where we are today. And this doesn't end, not only the channel or challenges, but this doesn't end my journey. I will continue trying to progress to become a better trader, and also uploading videos for you guys for not only the Bull Knox challenge coming up, but possibly differences in other prop firms. Whatever you guys may want to watch, just comment down below. And matter of fact, while you're down there, give this video a big thumbs up as it is the finale, and subscribe because, as I mentioned just a few seconds ago, we have a bunch of other videos coming out soon. Thank you again for your support, your time, and I hope you guys have a successful trading journey as well.